Hey creators, welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. Today, we're exploring VO2, Google's new text-to-video AI model, and how you can use it to create cinematic short films directly from your browser. Let's walk through the full process, from writing prompts in ChatGPT, to generating video clips with Google AI Studio, and finally stitching them together into a short AI film. Step 1. Access Google AI Studio. Go to https://aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Gmail. You'll get access to VO2, Google's most advanced video generator. Each account currently gets a limited number of free generations, about 4 by 8 second clips. Step 2. Generate prompts with ChatGPT. Instead of writing complex prompts manually, ask ChatGPT to help you. Here's what we use. Prompt to ChatGPT. Write a 3-scene short sci-fi film. Each scene should be 8 seconds long. Include detailed visual descriptions and maintain character and environment consistency across all scenes. Describe the character's appearance fully in each scene to ensure continuity. Include camera motion and lighting style. Important. Since VO does not support seed locking, character continuity depends on repeating key descriptions in each prompt. Second prompt to ChatGPT. Create video prompt for Google VO2 each scale. Step 3. Paste prompt into VO. In Google AI Studio, click New Video Gen, paste the first scene's prompt. Select Model VO Default. Aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16. Duration 8 seconds. Resolution 720p. Click Run. Download your clip as soon as it finishes, otherwise it may be overwritten in Drive. Step 4. Edit the final video. Use CapCut or any free editor to arrange the scenes in order. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. Add the audio, insert text on screen for each scene, add transitions and effects. Let's look final result. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to NeoDesign Lab, and don't forget to check out our videos on ChatGPT plus 11 Labs voice generation, text to video with UUN.cn, and more AI power creation workflows.